So I've now been on YouTube for a year. This is my first birthday. I just wanted to share some highlights from some of my favorite videos from this past year. It has been quite the ride. There have been a lot of hours making videos, doing research, which really is what I'm passionate about. I love learning new things. So whether it's learning a new arts and crafts skill or learning something new about photography or even doing research for places that I'm going to travel to, I love doing research. So I've included a little bit of everything in here, from recipes that I've found that I love, recipes that I've created, travel, arts and crafts, photography, just to give you guys a little taste of what happens here on Good Golly Gal. One of my goals for this past year was to get to 1,000 subscribers. Not there yet. Could use your help with that. So guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you have not already, and also hit that little bell, and that's going to notify you when I upload a video. If you have a favorite video of mine from this past year, be sure to let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any suggestions for videos you would like to see more of this coming year, put that in the comments as well. So let's look back at some of my favorite moments from this past year. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's anything in particular that you would like to learn. Just put that in the comments below, and I can't wait for this next year. I have so many fun things in store. Hope you'll come back. See y'all next time.